As soon as Taehyung walked out of the restaurant, Jun made a call and said, I accept your deal. I will marry your daughter and help you make Sky Group number 1. But, looking towards YN, he smirked. Inside Taehyung's car, Taehyung thought about YN and sighed. She has parents, but not their love. She's completely alone. Seeing her reminded me of my own childhood. If someone doesn't stand by her in time, she will break from within. And when she does, no one will be able to fix her. Jimin, sitting beside him, glanced at Taehyung and thought, what's wrong with my friend? He's feeling bad for someone, and the too for a person who has been his enemy for years. Breaking his chain of thoughts, Taehyung called Mr. Kim and said, Grandpa, I need to meet you right now. Jimin and I are coming to your office. With that, he pressed the accelerator, increasing the car's speed. At King Group headquarters, like always, Taehyung and Jimin wore their masks before stepping inside. No one could see their faces. Both of them directly headed towards Mr. Kim's cabin. Jimin, feeling slightly uneasy, asked, why are we even here? As soon as Taehyung opened the door, he saw Mr. Kim sitting on the couch, conversing with a beautiful young woman. Before Taehyung could say anything, Mr. Kim introduced the girl. Taehyung, meet Kim Taehan. And Taehan, this is my grandson, Kim Taehyung. He smiled and continued, I thought once you start handling the company's responsibilities, I'd get bored sitting at home. So why not get you married? That way, I can have 2 or 3 little Taeys running around the house, playing in my lap. Hearing this, Taehyung's cheeks turned red with embarrassment. He immediately turned to Jimin and said, Jimin, can you please take Miss Kim outside? I need to talk to Grandpa about something important. Jimin nodded and led Miss Kim out of the office. Seeing the seriousness on Taehyung's face, Mr. Kim gestured for him to sit and handed him a glass of water. What happened that made you so serious, Tae? After taking a sip of water, Taehyung replied, Sky Group has hired our online insider influencer company, and they plan to use it against us. Mr. Kim raised an eyebrow, and Taehyung continued, if I thought for even a second that I couldn't defeat them, I wouldn't have come here. But unfortunately for them, in 2 days, I will snatch that project from their hands. But if you promise to never bring up my marriage again, I might consider backing off and letting King Group's long-standing record remain unchallenged. Hearing this, Mr. Kim chuckled, placing a hand on Taehyung's shoulder. And what if, in 2 days, I snatch that project away from you? Will you then promise me that along with handling the company, you'll also give me the good news of your marriage? A smirk played on Taehyung's lips. It seems like you have a lot of confidence in yourself, Grandpa. Mr. Kim smirked back. Why shouldn't I? After all, I am your father's father. Standing up, Taehyung declared. Then it's settled. Whoever wins the project, wins the bet. Nighttime, YN's house. That evening, YN received a call from her father, Park Han, summoning her home. Normally, she stayed in a luxurious apartment near her office, provided by the company. But tonight, her mind was consumed with thoughts. How Jun made her feel uncomfortable. How we protected her from him. But why did we protect her? She wanted to ask him directly, but she had no way of contacting him. And if she asked Suzy for his number, Suzy would bombard her with endless questions. Lost in thought, YN reached home. As she stepped inside, her eyes widened in shock. Sitting at the dining table, having dinner with her father, was Jun. Forgetting all her previous thoughts, YN rushed to her father. Dad, why did you call me here? Her father simply gestured for her to sit at the table. She hesitated but obeyed, feeling increasingly uncomfortable under Jun's piercing gaze. While eating, Mr. Park said, perhaps you've forgotten, but the 4 years you asked for are coming to an end in 2 days. If you fail to defeat King Group, you will have to honor our deal and marry the man I chose for you. YN clenched her fists. I know, Dad, that was our deal, 4 years of freedom in exchange for my life. Glaring at Jun suspiciously, she asked, but tell me, who is this man you've chosen? Raising his glass, Mr. Park clinked it against Jun's and said, who else? Jun is the one. YN shot up from her chair in shock. What are you saying, Dad? Don't you know Jan already has a girlfriend? He loves her. Mr. Park leaned back in his chair, unfazed. I know very well, YN. Girlfriend-boyfriend relationships only last before marriage. After that, only husband and wife matter. No matter what, you will marry Jan. I cannot let some nobody take over the business that I have built for years, someone who doesn't even know how to run a company. Furious, YN gritted her teeth. I know why you are doing this. You want Jan to sit in your chair, so you can continue controlling the company through him. Mr. Park smirked. Think whatever you want, my dear. But in these past 4 years, I've realized one thing, you will never make this company number one. To defeat King Group, we need a clever and ruthless businessman, and Jan is that man. Hearing this, YN couldn't take it anymore. She stormed towards the door, but before she could leave, Jan grabbed her wrist. Smirking, he whispered, let's see now, who will save you from me, YN. Her heart pounded in fear as Jan continued. You know, when your father and I discussed this deal, I made one thing very clear. I'll help him make Sky Group number one, but my marriage with you, it will only be for show. He leaned in closer and whispered darkly. You, YN, will be nothing more than a one-night bride to me. Her blood ran cold as Jan chuckled. I thought your dad would refuse my proposal, but look at him now. He's already treating me like his son-in-law. His smirk deepened. Seems like the real villain of your life is your own father, YN. To be continued. Is YN finally realizing that Jan isn't the person she thought he was? Is Mr. Park truly using Sky Group for his own gain? Find out in the next chapter of Love is a Deal.